heart nonetheless set on the iPhone X? Well, you are in the proper area. Here's honestly the whole lot you need to realize about the iPhone X, and the variations between all of Apple's 2017 iPhones. Apple's 2017 iPhone has sooner or later been shown off to the world, and it is called the iPhone X, suggested iPhone X. This isn't always the iPhone 8 that is a new monster completely. It's the suitable phone to have a good time, the firm's 10-year anniversary. Yep, a decade has passed for the reason that authentic iPhone feeling antique yet? And Apple's iPhone X is a phenomenal phone at that. Deviating from Apple's staple layout cues, it is filled with lots of fancy capabilities new to the lineup, along with a brand new processor, a lovely 18:9 display, a fixed of dual rear cameras at the lower back, and Face ID safety to pinnacle all of it off. But and please consider us bad tech news hounds at this hard time, the iPhone X is not the only new iPhone to launch this year, in no way. There may be also Apple's iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus in the mix, too. They're each a whole lot inexpensive than their iPhone X opportunity, thank goodness, however do not provide the equal fancy capabilities. Now that the iPhone X, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus were officially revealed, we've got accrued all of the important tidbits of statistics you need to recognize about each handset, together with United Kingdom release date, UK fee, specifications, design, and new capabilities. iPhone X, what's with the name? Inside the Beyond, the ultra-modern iPhone's name hasn't been a mystery except the iPhone SE. Apple has always chosen to preserve a chronological, numerical device with its iPhones. However, this 12 months Apple tossed out the rulebook. With the 10-year anniversary of the iPhone, Apple has stirred matters up and launched 3 telephones immediately. Blimey! The ones gadgets are, the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone X, reported 10, as its special 10-12 months anniversary handset. Burdened? Don't be, we've a available explainer letting you already know the differences between all 3 in only a little bit. iPhone X release date, while does the brand new iPhone X pop out within the UK? The iPhone X, iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus all confirmed their faces on September 12. At Apple's 2017 press event, the company introduced that the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus might release on September 22, 2017. That wasn't lengthy to wait, but the iPhone X launches a touch in a while, 3 November 2017. Itching to get your new iPhone, whichever you pick on release day? Excellent information, then, as the iPhone X is to be had to pre-order from October 27, 2017, and the iPhone 8/iPhone 8 Plus may be ordered already. iPhone X United Kingdom rate: how much is the new iPhone X within the United Kingdom? Apple hasn't deviated an excessive amount from its iPhone launch price for the reason that iPhone 5's manner back in 2013. Due to this, it turned into a safe guess that the iPhone X would not deter to a ways far from a rough £600-ish asking price. That turned into, of path, till Apple decided to plunk all varieties of fancy new functions on its flagship cell phone. The Apple iPhone X will set you lower back a lofty £999 come release. Put that against Samsung's further geared up Galaxy S8 Plus at simply £629, and that charge would not quite seem really worth it. Don't forget about the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, but Apple's iPhone 8 will price a less expensive £699, and its plus-sized alternative, the iPhone 8 Plus, will set you return £799. iPhone X layout: how one-of-a-kind does the brand new iPhone 2017 appearance? The iPhone X is a drastic departure from Apple's handsets of old in terms of layout. For starters, Apple has long gone the all-display route, following the footsteps of what Samsung and LG did with their flagship handsets earlier within the year. This bezel-less show is a first for iPhone, and I am quite sure that is the primary purpose Apple jacked up its charge. Display area isn't cheap, and whilst it's as large as this, there has been no doubt Apple would ask for a little greater.